Okay, students, so let's continue the previous video. So x will be what? X will be here 5. Okay, the intersection will be here 5, and you can easily take out by the using Venn diagram also, that 48 is equals to 22 minus x plus x, 31 minus x. Then you will get x is equals to 5 in both the situation. Now next question is in question number 5, only oranges. So only oranges you can see easily in the diagram, that only oranges means this one part, that is 31 minus 5. Okay, so 31 minus 5 will give you what? Only oranges. You can do anywhere. Okay, that means 26. 6 only, 26. Fine. So this is how you will do. Now move on towards the next question. So the next question I choose that is question number 7. In a class of 35 students, 17 have taken mathematics. Means mathematics is what? 17. And 10 have taken mathematics but not economics. 10 have taken mathematics but not economics. That means M minus E is given you what? 10. Each student has taken either mathematics or economics or both. Find the number of the students who have taken both mathematics and economics. That means intersection they want to know. Okay, and union is also given. So by making a first, you can make a Venn diagram, and because when from Venn diagram you can easily understand what you will find out. This is your Venn diagram. Okay, two sets. Now intersection you will find out, and it is given that this is mathematics, you can say this is economics. It is given that mathematics is 17, so this will be what? 17 minus x is supposed to be 17 minus x, but it is given that the one and the students who like mathematics but not economics, it will be what? This, it will be this only. That means, and this is given what? 10. This is given what? 10. So this is given what? This part is given is 10 only. 10. The students who like mathematics, who are who appeared in mathematics but not in economics. Okay, so this is part, this is given 10. That means 17 minus x is equals to what? 10. And 17 minus 10 is equals to what? Easily you get intersection is 7. Easily you will get intersection 7. Okay, easily from by just looking on the Venn diagram. That means intersection is 7. So that's why they have written here. That's why they told you that 10. So see, the thing is correct now. 10, x is 7. Now next what they're asking. 35 students are there. So now you can, number of the students who have taken both in mathematics, they will be what? 7. Number of students who have taken only economics. Only economics. That means this part. So total number of students, how many are there? 35. 35 students are there. So you can use here formula. 35 students here are there. So that means A union B is equals to A plus B minus intersection. A union B is what? 35. Fine. And then 17. And then we have to find out, take it x, intersection is 7. Okay. So 35, 17 minus 7 will give you 10. So 35 minus 10 will give you what? 25. That means 25 students choose economics. 25 students choose economics. Okay, so this is how you will do. And they ask a number of the students who have taken only economics. Only economics will be what? 25 minus 7, because this is 7 only economics. That means this one part, not mathematics. So only economics will be what? Okay, there is the importance of only. Only economics means what? 25 minus 7. This will give you only economics. Okay, so this is how you will do this review exercise. Sometimes you can apply Venn diagram formula, sometimes you can use formula. It depends on you in which way you are comfortable. So this is the end of this chapter. Now complete review exercise like this.